broskies, what's up, guys? Uh, Welcome to the another trades breakdown which I had took in RTY today morning at the time of it's like 14th of May. Okay, when I used to come and see through the markets, whatever I noticed is like I came with the daily, and in Nasdaq it ends up with the daily candle as a bullish and full continuation sequence, and I expected that this is a small week, even in Nasdaq and in YM like in ES2, and it were trading to all-time highs. So I were pretty bullish, and I don't have any fucking highs to trade into as my draw. Then what should I do? I probably went to YM. I had our draws on YM up to these eyes as well to trade into, but still I went to Forad to see the profiling which I used to do. I had a two-stage at lows, like two-stage at lows like this, and even I can have anticipate strength which SMT. Let's see, we should get a strength which SMT with NQ as well or not. Somewhat we got a strength which is right here, like uh, these lows, especially 15 to 30 here, 15 to 30, and it's a bullish a single stage continuation. If we want to trade NQ as higher means this is the sequence, right? Two stage at lows as a reversal sequence, and 15-minute two stage at lows as a reversal sequence, and 15-minute at lows as a continuation sequence to trade higher as a Nasdaq. Okay, like yeah, if that took means our probably our entry should be right here, maybe in some point in here, and expect for 2 hour. I don't know. That's what I told you. No, I don't have any fucking draws to trade higher, so that I didn't trade in NQ today, in ES as well. Let's see, 15, yeah, or so it must be right here. If we took trade in right here with the swing lows of SL, we should probably target 2. Yeah, I should probably get a 2 or 3 fucking hours in ES, but this is a gambling, right? What the point of trading some, what is the point of gambling some money into the market? Like, I used to see this as a gambling, because if there is no fucking draw, then no fucking trade to trade there. So that I went to YM, and I noticed one thing. When it compares to YM and RTY, like those two were collateral assets, right? When I compare to YM with the RTY, I got a two stage at lows as well as a PSP at the second stage lows. Like 6 a.m. closed as a PSP bearish, and 6 a.m. closed as a bullish PSP, and it swooped in the next 10 a.m. candle and didn't get swooped in next 10 a.m. candle. It denotes me the small wick denotes me it's a fucking expansion candle to trade higher. So I went to some sort of a 15-minute to get the strength switch sequence. Sorry, strength switch sequence. Sorry, my bad for my English and my fluent as well. Okay, now what I noticed is like it closes as a bullish. Don't trade fucking what some sort of a expansion. Don't trade candle like this. Like trade some continuation model, some universal sequence to get continuation sequence, right? Like we got a 4 hours two stage, like stage one swoop, stage two didn't get swooped, and one thing I noticed is we were pretty discounted in when it compares to AM. Like this is the 12th May 8 a.m. like 8 somewhat, and see this is the 12th. It took somewhere at some point in time, but we didn't even took that highs as our draw. So that, see, one example, if this is our fucking draws as a highs, like what? No, it's not a fucking this size, like 8 May, 12 May. Where is that 12 May 9? Yeah, this was my draw. This is the high in RTY. We are going to trade with as strength switch. So here's the topic and the concept comes in. So we took this ice and we are manipulating higher lower. No, we are not even manipulating, we are just doing a failure to manipulate sequence and expanded higher, so that we got a strengths which are close with the ym. Like, see, 10-15 candle shoot to 10-30 candle and it closes as a bullish, denotes as a fucking strength switch. And let us see in a ym, this is a 10 15 candle and this is a 10-30 candle. It didn't soup as well and it closes as a bullish. It shows us the strength when it comes to YM, it's getting pretty weaker, because it didn't even soup this low, but it still closed as a bearish one, and it souped this low and it's closed as a bullish one. It's a strength switch. So as soon as I saw this sequence 10:30, I went to 3 minute. I went to 3 minutes, like 10:30 right here, and it closed as bullish as 10:45 right here. Okay, and I know, yeah, one thing, I know, like when I were in this market, I blindly traded this trade because I know this will go up to these sizes. These are all spacings. The people able to see this? Like, oh fuck. There are the failure swings. I want to trade with these failure swings. And top of that, let's imagine with the 1 hour of how our daily candle wicks until the reversal happens. Let's have some look right here. Like it opened right here, okay? Like 18, right? Yeah. It opened right here and it came down some sort of a small wick and it traded higher now. See, this is the this is the this is a fucking thing. I should probably trade with the small wicks. I used to tell this always because small wick gives us an expansion. When it comes to IM, let us imagine this as a wick. Let us imagine this as a wick. When the time the candles get started to print as a daily candle, it never came back to trade lower. Okay, it went upward. Okay, now at see it went up to highs here and it came down to retrace and it gives some sort of a fucking two stage at close and it went higher. See the big size until the reversal happens. This is the small big. Let's imagine this candle will give us a reversal. For example, if we took this as like it goes higher. Okay, it came up to high this. Let us imagine that candle will drops all the way down to trade like this. No, that never gonna happens. So that won't support as an expansion. Maybe this candle will fluctuate as a second destroy profile. I don't know, pretty sure about this because see guys, one thing I want to tell you, like if you want to trade higher means we should have some particular level to trade. For example, uh, this is our level to trade. Okay, like I'll give you now RTY. Okay, I have a two stage at lows with the reversal profile and the like I don't know whether it will goes up to these highs as well. I don't know. I don't pretty sure about that, but for sure I'll know it will reach at these highs. So when you are entering in a trade, don't aim for a home run. And once the draw met, it's never ever your business to get worried about why the market is reversing. Am I predicted something as a wrong or like that? Okay, it's a more sort of a reversal consolidation, or else it's maybe a retracement. What if it may be a reversal? Why? What the fuck you want to care? Because the draw met, I want to trade at least for these eyes. Maybe it will go up to these eyes, but I don't know. I don't have a thought to capture a home run at in any of those stages. So I make sure about myself to trade only at for only to some sort in a level, some sort in a particular level. So yeah, This is the thing I want to convey you guys. The trade which I took today. Let's compare to Nasdaq. Let's imagine. See, this is a 18 candle, right? Wednesday. Let's imagine the candle starts here and and moves up, okay, and moves down to form a wick, and it expands higher again. Like look how this happened. Where is this? 22, 2, yeah. Some sort of consolidation happened at Asia, London, and it gives us a two-stage at fucking lows, and it expanded more the way higher. Let me give you one fucking simple example, guys. Very very simple. What the first is price we are trading into? Fuck. See, expansion, expansion, consolidation, expansion, retracement, at deep retracement, expansion, retracement, expansion, consolidation of two candles, and again it should reverse. No, it expand. Maybe some sort of consolidation maybe happens, and it will manipulate higher, and it will go all the way down. Maybe it will happen someday. Okay, we are trading into the fucking phase of price called a consolidation all over this day, and we are expanding towards some all-time highs. So in Nasdaq, in YMC, how it never ever fucking reverse from those consolidations. Seriously, it will never ever reverse from those consolidations. Expansion, retracement, expansion, consolidation, expansion. See how the price. What's the story the price telling to us? Oh, this is the thing I want to convey you guys as today's trade. I don't know. I should probably trade as well in Asia or London if the setup were good, but some sort of see. Let us say like today, what expansion maybe happened? What expansion happened? No, the fuck. My wife was too bad. See what's the phase of phrase consolidation? It started consolidating. Maybe you can capture some sort of a two stage or here, but 90 time peoples listen to my words, listen to my these precious words which I have data of this. 90 times out of 100 times the market will go somewhere and it will retrace back into its daily range. Not my point, it will back into its daily range. That's why NY is the highest probability to trade. Like you can have this trade as well right here. I don't know, some sort of a two stage at lows. I don't even fucking care about these London session, but some sort of reversal signatures at lows right here. Who knows? And you can capture all the way to this move, and we can able to retrace our daily candle once. See, where is that ID? What's the profile is see in Nasdaq it's a reversal candle of a New York session, and in YM it's a retracement candle of a New York session. We can able to do this as an experiment for our this one. Like we don't even fucking care about the whole range to do APD sequence, advanced premium discount, but we can do with a single daily candle which we have data of past sessions, like from these lows to this highs, like but this highs. Okay, this is now as a leading asset. How am I telling to is this? It has a two stage at lows at a discount. Let's imagine a Nasdaq. It has it lows to it high somewhere. Fuck. It has its lows to high somewhere like this. Maybe the lows up to this. A daily range. We had swooped the range out to expand higher. We had a range swooped out to expand the range higher. when compared to YM, it gives us a retracement. In YM, in ES, it's never ever fucking care about this. Seriously, ES doing a different kind of shit. It's not. It's in my terms, ES is leading as that as past 2 days, and NQ is a lagging, and YM are some sort of a leading. But in whole range, NQ is a leading asset. In whole range, like it is trading in a fucking all-time highs. But in YM, it's not. Like maybe it will reverse, some sort of reaction will happen. We don't give any fucking shits about that, bro. Listen to my words. Seriously, I'm saying. Just have a 2 hour and fucking fly out. Pull out some grass. Go and fucking have your day. Yeah. Okay, this is pretty much your. I'm gonna post my daily trade breakdowns as well. Even it may be a loss or a profit. I don't give any fuck about that. But yeah, I should be pretty transparency to you. Like, I don't know how many people were watching my channel or videos. I didn't even care about once I posted this video on a YouTube, like how many views I got, how many subs I got, who else commented. I don't have any fuck about that. But this is some sort of a journaling purpose. Like at some point in life in my future, I will use it to turn back at my early stages of my trading. How the fuck did this is like I did some crazy stuffs so that I'm aware like this to post those kind of breakdown to for myself. Like it took the previous candle high, even this, even this. Like bro, it already expanded, bro. Don't ever think about a fucking again reversal to up to these lows until or unless there should be a fucking news called FOMC or some sort of a red folder news which will comes in PM session. Until or unless the news will comes, it won't expand all the way higher and it won't expand. See, if if the news will be in PM session or else some sort of FOMC means I don't I didn't get this fucking expansion towards the size even in Nasdaq and yes as well. Yeah, let's go to wind up the session and we'll speak some. I'll speak some lot about how to take trades. What are the things to see in a market when it comes to our first eyesight towards the charts. Yeah. Okay. Let's signing off. Bye.